Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve group chats on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve group chats on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first app and we can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we can click clear cache. Then we can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.